and welcome. My name is Jason Colgrove, and I'm the Director of Sales for the Trisure business at Greif. I've been working in industrial packaging for more than 15 years, having worked the last 6 years in the commercial side of the business, with prior roles in financial management, product development, and operational leadership. As a worldwide leader in industrial closures, we work with companies all over the globe to identify and provide solutions for their packaging needs. One common area of concern is related to the need for vented closures. Trisure offers vented closure solutions for any style packaging that we offer standard closure solutions. This includes steel drums, plastic drums, fiber drums, IBCs, pails, and jerrycans. Perhaps you've experienced the need for closures that vent out or relieve pressure from a container. You would see your container swelling or bloating outward, which can be a risk of explosion when the pressure is not properly released. There can be many causes for this container bloating, but most commonly this is caused by outgassing of chemicals, transport into higher altitude areas like going from sea level to the mountains, or an increase in temperature affecting the package. Trisure's one-directional mushroom vents, made in either EPDM or FKM material, are carefully assembled into our closures in a vent-out position that will allow the container to relieve pressure rather than face the dangerous buildup of pressure. The vent will independently open when the container needs to relieve that pressure, but then automatically reseal once the pressure inside and outside the container is rebalanced. Conversely, sometimes containers will collapse inward, which is equally as dangerous and can be caused by organic solvents that consume air, transportation into lower altitude areas, like going from the mountains to sea level, or temperature decreases, such as after hot filling. Trisure's one-directional mushroom vents are carefully assembled into our closures in a vent-in position that will allow the container to breathe in air rather than face the danger of a collapsing container. Utilizing our vented closures can also increase your filling line output, as the vented closure would enable the closing of the drum sooner after a hot fill process. Trisure also offers two-way venting through the use of microporous membrane material that is carefully welded to our closures. Two-way venting is required when your packaging is experiencing risks to both inward collapse and outward swelling or bloating. Our microporous membrane vented closures will simultaneously allow the container to breathe in and out, all while maintaining a full liquid seal of the container. Venting is not suitable for all containers. If you're packaging material that emits gas, which is flammable or toxic, vented closures are strictly prohibited. Vented packaging is not suitable for air transportation. When using a vented closure, carefully select the right Trisure overcap that will allow the vent to function properly. Do not select a standard tab seal cap that will prevent the flow of air. Discussing vented closures can become a complex topic, so please reach out to our team to discuss the specifics associated with your container, and together we can identify the right solution. Thank you.